may I know your name?
Of course, my name is Angela Kristen.
Alright, Madam Will, in our hotel, we have president suite that has inside that costs 20 million rupiah. Then we have deluxe room that has princess size bed that costs 10 million rupiah. And lastly, we have standard room that costs 4 million rupiah. Which one would you will choose?
I think I will choose the deluxe room.
Alright, Madam Will, when you will check in our hotel, and how will you stay in our hotel?
I'll check in tomorrow at September 28th for 3 days.
Alright, ma'am, may I have your contact number?
Yes, my contact number is 0852-3559-0889.
Alright, ma'am, what type of transportation you will go to this hotel? By taxi or your car?
I'll come to the hotel by my own car.
Alright, ma'am, when you will arrive in our hotel?
I'll come to this hotel at 9 a.m.
Alright, ma'am, I'll check the density card. Yeah. Alright, ma'am, may I know your address?
My address is Villa Power number 8.
Alright, ma'am, do you have any special request?
Yes, I want a fruit basket.
Alright, ma'am, would you like to pay with cash or credit?
I'll pay with credit.
Alright, ma'am, in our hotel we have BNI card, BRI card, and MasterCard. What you will choose?
By Mastercard, please.
Alright, ma'am, can I borrow your card?
Alright, ma'am.
Alright, ma'am, your credit card is valid, and may I explain about our hotel?
Yes, please.
Alright, ma'am, in our hotel we have such an Indonesian restaurant that located on second floor, and the favorite food is grilled fish and open 24 hours. The next is swimming pool. That located the third floor, open from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. And then we have fitness gym. They located at the third floor and open from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m.
Alright, thank you for your explanation.
You're welcome. May I repeat your data on reservation, ma'am?
Yes.
Alright, ma'am. Your name is Angela Christine. You're booking one deluxe room for 2 persons for 3 days. Your special request is free basket. You will check in tomorrow at September 28 and the time is 7 a.m. by your own car. It's correct, ma'am?
Yes, it's correct.
Alright. Alright, ma'am. Thank you for your choosing in our hotel. And I hope you enjoy your stay in our hotel. Good morning.